Hello friends, welcome to my channel Universal Connect. Today we are going to make a dish drumstick leaves. This drumstick leaves is in Latin it is called Moringa orifangia or incredibly nutrient dense green packed with vitamins, calcium and iron, highly celebrated in South Indian cuisine. You can easily incorporate this antioxidant rich leaves into your diet by making a comfortable muringai soup in Tamil or a tasty muringai chutney. So friends, today we are going to make this recipe. So this recipe, before making this, kindly wash these drumstick leaves and get it ready. Besides a chopped small onion, convenient uh, chili, dry chili, a bit of water, salt, uh, mustard seeds, jeera. So all the South Indian foods are mainly made with this uh, same procedure. So kindly add this to your convenient needs. Now the process of making. Now we are going to keep a kadai, pour little bit of oil, add sufficient number of mustard seeds, chopped onions, and the green chili and the dry chili, sufficient amount of jeera. So all this mix it and fry them till it gets brownish. Stir it well. Besides this key nutrition benefits is high in vitamins and minerals. They are rich in vitamin A, C, B, minerals like magnesium and iron. So now friends, kindly mix this drumstick leaves to it, to the chopped onions that has got ready. Besides this, you see the drumstick flowers also. So this is also good for health. So mix it up in a convenient manner. So it is an antioxidant properties that contain approximately 46 antioxidants and well documented and anti benefits. It's best for blood sugar and cholesterol support. So friends, kindly take this recipe daily, take some green leaves daily in order to avoid your blood sugar and cholesterol support. It is regular consumption is often studied in the role of regulating insulin and managing cholesterol levels. So friends, kindly add sufficient number of salt to it to get your convenient taste. Friends, don't add more amount of salt and chilies. Kindly make sufficient food for your family. Have a very good food, have a tasty food. Add little bit of water because it will get dry. Soak it well, stir it well until it's getting ready. So you can close this for some time to 5 to 10 minutes. So friends, now it's been opened and for checking purpose. Now it's getting brownish. It's already going to be cooked. Now close it for some time, still more. So friends, now it has been cooked around 80%. We have to see completely, still the water evaporates from the vessel. We have to wait still for 2 to 3 minutes. Finally friends, this drumstick fries has been got ready. Now we will test the recipe. So friends, now we'll try the recipe. Oh, it's very hot. Can't have this. Oh, very tasty recipe. Friends, follow the steps and give your comments of making of drumstick fries. I accept your comments. Kindly recommend my channel, comment on my channel. Thank you friends.